Headshot.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. As you may have noticed, everything looks a little different in this area. This is not the Grom. This is a 2003 Honda Shadow. I picked it up a couple weeks back. I sold one of my cars to a good friend and picked this thing up out of Nashville. I still have the Grom, not getting rid of it, but I'm waiting on some parts to come in. For my birthday, my wife ordered me a KevTech, a sub cage with a 12 bar, RSC clutch, some frame sliders, and some bar ends. So I'll be riding this until those come in and I get those put on. So happy Memorial Day. I'm headed to my mom's and stepdad's and we're gonna eat some burgers and hot dogs and stuff. It's a pretty good ways. If you see my first video where we took the Grom out that way, it was probably about 45 minutes to an hour. It won't be this bad on this, but it's still the highway. This thing is a hardtail and it is a real rough on your back. So I have to kind of take it easy. Oh, I love this bike. Just so rugged, and it's outside of what I would normally ride. Usually street bikes and Groms and Ruckuses, dirt bikes. Oh gosh, this thing is ruining my back. 2 weeks in and I've already got back problems.
1 hour later.
Oh.
Tango down. Headshot.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, Noah.
Bye. Stay and be careful.
I will.
Notice how quick it's down.
Bye. Alright, so we're headed back home. We got to have a little bit of family time and eat stuff. I don't get to see them as much as I want to. I stay busy and they're all like 45 minutes away from me. Oh, the air feels so good. So, day before yesterday, I met up with my buddy Jonathan and we went and looked at his new bike and kind of rode around the block and stuff. And I've got some footage of that, but by the time I started going home, it was dark and my mic wasn't working. So I'll throw some of that footage in for you guys to see. You lead. So this is Jonathan's new bike. It's a 2015 Harley Sportster. It's beautiful, but they built it at Harley, so it's got a lot of custom parts on it. I'm a real big fan of the taillight. It looks super sweet. It's a pretty bike. Oh, God. My back! Alright guys, as for us, that's it. I know there wasn't a lot of content. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to smash that like button. And go ahead and comment, subscribe, and tell your friends. Until next time, we'll see ya.
I did that to my buddy. He had a light, and I was on that side. I went, boom. And I took off. He's like, you mother.
Did you just do it?